Solidworks learning platform mechmart. Please subscribe and share my videos. Our today topic is how to convert solid part into sheet metal. So let's start our lecture. We are in Solidworks part mode. Our dimension are in millimeters. First of all, click on the front plane and select the sketch. From the sketch commands, click on the rectangle command and select the center rectangle. Draw center rectangle at origin with dimensions 50. Check. Give its dimension. Okay. Exit from the sketch mode and click on the features and extrude this sketch. Enter the depth of extrusion 50 mm. Okay, check. Now we make a cube with all sides of it are 50 millimeters. First of all, we will hollow it by using shell. Enter the shell thickness 1 mm. And select the faces to remove. Select this top face, this side face, and this side face. Check. So we make a shell part from solid part. After that, we will enter in sheet metal modules. First, we will rip this corner. Click on the rip command. It creates gap between two edges in a sheet metal part. Select this edge. Select the gap thickness 0.5 mm. You can see we have make a gap between these two edges of 0.5 mm. After that, we will use the insert bends that creates a sheet metal part from existing part. Click the fixed face or edge. We will select this face and remains the other parameters default. Okay. So we have applied convert this part into sheet metal part. We can flatten this part. Just click on the flatten. The flatten show the flattened part of the existing sheet metal. Yes, you can see this is like this. Unflatten or fold. Now we will make a cut here and here. How we can make a cut? First of all, bring this hand before process bends. Okay. Now select this surface and click on the sketch. From view rotation, click the normal. Okay, we make a rectangle, corner rectangle. Draw a rectangle on this side and a rectangle on this side. You can Also give the dimensions to this rectangle. Exit from sketch. From feature, make a cut using the extrude cut command. Okay. So drop down this bottom, and from sheet metal again we will choose unflattened on this part. Okay, you can see we have make a part from, we have converted a third part into sheet metal part. We hope you would like this video. Please subscribe and share our channels. Thank you. Goodbye.